YouTube, what's going on? CubanSRT back with another video, man. You already know I'm already in the car, man. That makes this a car vlog. We about to do a car POV today. We about to act up, turn the city up. You already know, man. The POV video we did last time did pretty good, and it's always fun to get in the Hellcat, do some POVs. I feel like I've been talking a lot and doing like a lot of talking, but I haven't been enough showing. So we about to, turn up the Hellcat. We about to show you what it can really do. And push it to its limits. About to put it in sport mode, track mode, see how it goes. About to link up. We about to link up with some friends as well. So it's about to be a POV / little vlog type video. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Right now, man, we about to go crazy. We got the hog out there. What y'all know about this? Hot weather means we turning up the city, man.
It means I'm saving money on gas and not driving a Mustang.
We about to drain that gas tank today, though.
I gotta go fill it up.
If you know what I'm saying.
And then we're gonna go crazy.
You already know.
Hey, watch this, you in a 60.
Oh man, this thing moving all over the place. Oh boy, that's 12. What's 12 doing here, man? Jesus Christ, we ain't even started nothing and the block already hot. Block already hot, we ain't even do nothing. Let's see what they do. I'm about to see if they do anything. Bro, what they gonna do? What they gonna do? I don't be caring, man. I don't be caring. Let me put my seatbelt on. Where that dog come from? Let me put this thing on. I hope y'all can see. I'm playing with 12 right now at this point. I'm playing with 12 at this point, man. I really hope the video don't look too bad. Can you imagine they pulled me over? I doubt it. Man, bro, I keep hitting my head on this, bro. That's the only thing I don't like about doing the POVs. I got this set up on my phone, because if I was to do it with like this heavy ass camera, bro, like my head just gonna be hurting, boy. The weather's good today, though. It's looking good today. I ain't gonna lie. Let's get it. Let's see. I think 12 gonna end up going to the gas station. Watch. They gonna go to the gas station or something. Yeah, what I say? They going to the gas station. I'm just trying to act up and antagonize them a little bit. See if we can get some viral content, man. They gonna be like, why y'all making so much noise? Hey man, our cars just make noise. What we gonna do? What we gonna do about it? Look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them. They're getting that gas, boy. Bro, what? How is this dude park? Bro, why you park like that? Why you park so far away from the pump?
I don't even know.
Hey, we messing around with them cops, boy.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Yeah. Got a little Red Bull, man, ready to go. Yes, sir. Seatbelt on. Okay. I'm telling y'all, bro, it's hard to drive like this. I hope y'all can see, bro. Let's see. Hit it. Whatever falls down. I'll pick it up later. Making noise today, my boy. I think we gotta chill out. There's a bunch of cops around here. It's a bunch of cops, man. Gotta relax. Green light, I mean go. Green light, I mean go. If I knew how to launch it, I would launch it right now. Alright, about to hop on the highway, about to go to Mexico. Let's get on it. Let's get on it. Yeah, if we get a ticket, we get a ticket, man. Hold on, I kinda gotta focus right here. Kinda gotta focus right here. Slow it down a little bit. Slow it down, my boy coming in hot. My boy coming in hot. This is in Mexico. This is a GTA lobby. This is all edited. This is all highly edited, man. All highly edited. No playing around. I don't even know where we're about to go right now. Let's see. Let's see. I'll take this left right here. Look how stupid I look right now. Like, bro, I look crazy in this right now. But you know, it is what it is. Look, this is a POV on POV action right now. Bro, I really wish I could do it with the camera right here, because the quality on the phone isn't as good. And if I were to try to get a GoPro, I couldn't even do it, because this mount is like for a phone, you know. And I gotta put my hand all the way back. You see this, bro? Hey, but we making this content for y'all. No excuses, man. Now it's all quiet. Mercedes right here. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Hey, he going crazy. That boy's swerving more than me. That boy's swerving more than me. He's swerving more than everybody. Who is this dude in the Mercedes, bruh? Who is this dude in the Mercedes? Yo, somebody get your mans. Somebody get your mans. Who is this guy? That Mercedes was swerving in and out, my boy. My boy was swerving. Hey, yo, I need to take tips from this guy. That dude was going in. By the turn right here, I don't know where buddy going. What you trying to do? Hey, yo. This dude just in the middle lane like it's nobody's business, bro. I guess we better look at the clips. Hopefully this thing turned out pretty good. Hey, who was that in the Mercedes?
No, dude was, bro, I heard the turbo. It was like,
Was he the one that honked?
I don't know.
Bro, buddy said,
Yeah, he was gone. I was about to chase him, but it was too much traffic.
what Mercedes is that?
I don't know.
Bruh, I know you seen that Mercedes, bruh.
Bro, he took me to Gapplebee's.
Bro, that dude came out of nowhere, bro. I don't know where he came from, bro. And I was looking at the clips. It came out a little blurry, like on the windshield. So forgive me. Like I said, guys, once we get more views, more subscribers and everything, we're going to upgrade the content. You already know, man. We got to invest in ourselves to invest in the channel, man. Make sure you smash that like button because the video just started, man. What you got to say?
Just started, man. You already know. So whoever that was in a Mercedes, damn, you're a maniac, dude.
Bro,
There was a lot of traffic.
I never seen nobody swerve like that in a minute.
And he was hard on my ass. Like if I would have just hit the brakes a little bit, bro, he would have just rear-ended.
He would have got that GT500 off the insurance
Oh yeah,
money.
the insurance money would have hit. Maybe I should have hit the brakes.
Yeah, me personally, I would have smashed them brakes. You know what I'm saying?
He was on them. Like he was on my ass. I was like, damn.